This is the Sustainable Forestry Initiative 2015 20th Anniversary Conference.
Everywhere you look, you see beautiful trees and evergreens, and scheduling the meeting here at the early fall is just a perfect backdrop for good conversations.
You got no nerve, baby. Turn on the jump from your...
Well, I'm very, very pleased and honored to be here. This has been an incredible journey for SFI and for all of us that are involved with SFI.
The SFI conference is a great opportunity for people who work in the forest products industry to learn from their colleagues who are working on the same problems and share best practices so that everybody sort of raises the bar together.
It's an ability for all of us to get together, colleagues, and meeting new people and developing those relationships.
Successful partnerships, I believe, have four simple but essential qualities: trust, shared objectives, complementary strengths, and mutual respect.
It's very exciting to be able to connect spaces with people who are making important changes and influencing the forest industry.
We're more than just a forest certification standard. You're also supporting those conservation grants, the impact work that Paul's doing, the Aboriginal and tribal outreach that Andrew's doing.
This is true democracy in action. This is people from the ground saying, we want to have sustainable forest management. We respect the intergovernmental processes. We are looking after society's most important resource.
The SFI team has done an amazing job putting this conference together. The quality of the speakers has been tremendous. They've moved the program along at a great pace, giving folks lots of time to network, to interact, to share ideas.
We see a lot of momentum building, and what I want to do is provoke you a bit, challenge you a bit.
We've seen a revolution in how companies across Asia and brands in Europe and North America are approaching deforestation.
We've got to ask people what they fundamentally believe, set their targets to achieve those things, and along the way, you can get certified.
There was a spirit of this conference that is really uplifting, and I think there's an energy about it that people are really excited, and they're excited about the future.
What we're seeing is what I believe is on the cusp of a wood revolution. We're finding that architects and engineers are excited by this idea.
We are starting to build the structures necessary to further the research, further the innovation at the forestry level and all the way through to the building level.
What we've seen in the last few years is moving from just addressing risk to really trying to promote rewards and incentives for improvement and positive change within the supply chain.
We are all aspiring towards the implementation of sustainable forest management.
One of the themes that really came out today is collaboration, and the energy that's there now is really starting to show results.
We need to look at the species that are on those landscapes and what their habitat needs are going to be in the future.
ABC is going to continue to promote SFI as the best thing cooking for birds. You are the best thing that happened for birds, I think, in the last 50 years.
None of us do this for an award. We do this because it's the right thing to do. The stewardship of America's and the world's forests are the most important thing we can do.
When you talk about native culture, we always look at it as we're borrowing this land, and whatever we harvest needs to be done respectfully. And so coming here has just been amazing. I take so much away. I was glad I came.
I'm professionally and personally pleased to see how far SFI has come in the accomplishments of responsible forest management and responsible sourcing and education.
Our future and a sustainable future for our forest depends on us strengthening the connections between sustainable forests, sustainable communities, and responsible purchasing.